For the pay can verify that one of the owner did not double spend the coin. A common solution to the introduce a trusted central authority or minute the checks every transaction of double spending. After each transaction, the coin must be returned to this minute to issue a new coin, and only coin issued directly from the minute are trusted, not be double spent. The problem with this solution is that the fate of the entire money system depends on the company running the minute, with every transaction having to go through them. Just like the bank, we need a way of the pay to know that the previous owner did not sign an earlier transaction. For your purpose, the earliest transaction is the one of the count, so we don't care about later attempts to double spend. The only way to perform the absence of transaction is to aware of the transaction. In the minute based model, the minute was aware of the transaction and decided which arrived first. To accomplish this without a trusted party, transaction must be public announced, and we need a system of participants to agree on the signal history of the order in which they were arrived. The pay needs proof that the time of each transaction the majority of nodes agreed it was the first received time spent server. The solution we purpose begins with a time spent server. The time spent server works by taking a hash of the block of time to be time spent and widely publish the hash, such as in the newspaper of Usenet post. The time spent proved that the data must be extracted at the time observably in order to get into the hash. Each time spent include the previous time spent in the hash, performing a chain with each additional time spent, reinforcing the owner. Proof of work. The implement a disturbed time spent server on the pre-to-pre basic. We will need to use a proof of work system similar to Adam Bake's Hashcash rather than newspaper to Usenet post. The proof of work involves scanning for a value that when hashed, such as with CHA256. The hash begins with a number of 0 bits. The average work required is exponential in the number of 0 bits required and can be verified by executing a single hash. For time spans network, we implement the proof of work by increasing in a node in the block until a value is found that gives the block hash the required 0 bits. When the CPU effort has been expanded to make it satisfy the proof, the block cannot be changed without recording the work, as later blocks are changed after it. The work to change the block would include recording all the block after the proof of work. Also solve the problem of determining representation in majority design making. If your majority was based on one's IP address, one vote, it would be subserved by anything able to allocate IPS. Proof of work in essential: one CPU, one vote. The majority designed in prevent by the longest chain, which the greatest proof of work afford invested in it is a majority of CPU power is controlled by honest nodes. The honest change will grow the fastest and outpace and computing change. The modify a past block and attacked would have to redo the proof of work of the block and all blocks after it, and then cached by with and surpass the determination exponentially as subsequent blocks are added to compensate of increasing hardware speed and verifying interest in running nodes over time. To proof of work deficiently is determined by the moving average targeting and average number of blocks per hour. If they generate too fast, the definitionally increase.